Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the EppFun Bluetooth headphones. And they're in-ear headphones. The true wireless earbuds headphones with noise cancelling, touch music control and IPX6 water protection. 24 hours playback and a storage box with wireless charging function. This is awesome, because you do not have to connect it by wire. The wireless earbuds for sports follow ergonomic design principles. They are ultra light with less than 4 grams each earpiece, and they are equipped with 3 types FML, small, medium and large, high quality silicone earmuffs, which can bring us a more comfortable and stable wearing experience. And here is the EppFun Cutemeet 150 Bluetooth earphones. Use Bluetooth 5.0 and provide a faster and more stable connection with high resolution audio and impressive stereo effect. It offers powerful bass and lossless sound quality on CD compact disc level. And of course, deep bass lets us immerse ourselves in the wonderful music. And its Bluetooth headsets built-in improved large microphone combined with noise reduction technology that effectively blocks ambient noise. And ambient noise is harder to block because there are a lot of ambient noise around us. But with the newest chip technology, it is possible to improve this, to let this gone away because of the noise reduction technology. Provides a crystal clear voice for the calls which you can take or which you can make. And its waterproof IPX6 level can easily withstand sweat and rain, and we don't have to worry even when it rains out there. It's perfect for gym, running and training. And everything charging for more time listening for up to 6 hours each. The wireless charging allows the wireless charging Qi standard from the charging case, which can be extended to 18 hours. So we can play with music for a whole day. And the case is small enough to easily store in our pocket. And really easy to pair and touch control. We take the wireless earbuds out of the charging case and they will automatically connect to our phone, after the first pairing of course. We attach the earbuds slightly to reach the volume control and more. The true wireless earbud supports independent TWS mode, so we can flexibly switch between single and dual mode too. That's everything is possible. It's the Cutemeet 150 with a Bluetooth version of 5. The frequency band is from 20 Hz to 20 kHz. The output power is 10 MW. And the working temperature goes from 0 to 45 degrees Celsius. The total playtime is about 32 hours and the charging time 1 up to 2 hours. The charge case size is 55 to 29 millimeters, and the earbud size, they are so tiny, 23 to 17 to 20 millimeters. But before we can start to hear music, we have to remove the insulation films on it. We tear off the insulation films when we use it for the first time, of course. Then we full charge before the first charge. The device can be powered through a Type-C USB cable or wireless device charging. We can choose by our own. And then it's time for pairing. We ensure both buds are inside the charging case and take out both buds. Waiting for several seconds, the buds will flash white. And when we select the Cutemeet 150 under the Bluetooth menu on our device, the pairing of true wireless stereo mode is successful. And for mono-channel pairing, we take out only one earphone. The white light will flash and automatically connect to recorded device. When there is no connection, we need to manually click the pairing record on the device itself. Then the fittings. We insert the Cutemeet 150 into our ears and rotate to fit comfortably. Left for left, or the earbud with L for left and the earbud with R letter for right. To optimize the best fit and audio experience, it is recommended to try different earbud sizes until you can find the best shape of the earbud. Then you have a good sound for a small price. The basic operation on it. If we are pushing and hold it left or right, this will switch it on or off. If we push on the on the right or on the left once, that made pause or play. 2 times on the right means next track. 2 times on the left means previous. 3 times on the left, game mode. 3 times on the right, for example, Siri, voice control. If there is an incoming call, you can push and get it on. 2 times right, switch off. It's really easy. And if you like to have a factory reset, we disconnect the connection to the headset and mobile phone. We take it out from the charging case. Respectively, 5, tap power key continuously. The LED will quick flash after the earbuds power off on the completed the reset setup. That's easy. We can long press plus, that means on the right button to increase the volume. Long press on minus, that is the left button. Then we reduce the volume. The LED indications of the earbuds are pairing white flash, red on charging, red off full charged, red slow flash, battery low, and the LED indicators on the charging case itself, wireless charging case type C is in, white on, and full charge means white off. So you can easily see what's going on with your earbuds and, of course, with the storage box. And the storage box is small enough to get it in the pocket, no prop, because this is the power bank for your EppFun Bluetooth headphones for in-ear navigation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.